we're back. Cheetah! Man just woke up kanina and she's so tagal to sleep. I hope I was gonna show you guys, but I cannot. I was sleepy. Yes, guys. Nandakabad naman ako. Cover that up, girl. This one is spicy. This one is spicy. Look, it's black. Right? It's so spicy. So spicy. I need the water. I need water then. Ah! I'm back. So spicy. Oh my god. Chicken, yeah? We're not. Did you heard something, guys? Comment down below. Comment. Hoy! Yung chicks! Oh! Inumin ko na to. Ready mode. You broke it! Ganyan talaga yan. Mink siya. ASMR. Need water? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Coffee. Oh! Bakit ang super hot ito? Oh nga. You! Look, it's you. Galing! It's super hot, so I'm gonna jump. 1, 2, 3! Tubig! Tubig ka dyan! Guys, nagpipili-pino din kami, right? Diba? Ngayon? Yeah. Part 8, part 9. Part 9. Pagkatapos ng part 9. Ay, pagkatapos ng part 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Galing yung dalawa pala.
Don't mind that, okay? That's just Mudge is dad. Right? I call him Tita Jerome. Ano, Tita Jerome? Tita Jerome. Tito Jerome. Tito Rick. Jax, di ba napanood dati sa may Facebook ng tapos sumuka ng Pickle? Yes. Yung kanto Jack off. Right? Ang liit ng pickle. Ang hanghang. Water ako. Ako first. Ang hanghang. Guys, gina-joke lang kayo ni Ersie. Dito mahanghang. She's playboy. Hindi. Ang hanghang niya. Ah, kita nyo, hindi naman color black, color orange. And that's like that talaga din. Your favorite guy, comment down below kung basahin nyo to. But it's hot for me. Ang hanghang niya. Comment down below. Comment down below. Sabi na, kasi na kami na you want a cell phone? Comment down below. Ilang, not yellow basket. Sa TikTok. Yan. Hindi yellow basket. Tapos, round 9 na. Bakit on ina? Eme ka dyan. Eme. Guys, minsan nag-aaway din kami. Diba, in the when I was wearing pink, I away Mudge. Color pink? Pinakita namin sa vlog, guys. Sorry. O na natin sila papahiya. Ano? Nakakahiya naman sa kanila. Tawag natin! Guys, kumuha na naman ako. Guys, like for part 9, 10. Ay, oo, 10, guys. Bye. Okay. Bye. Tara. Bye. Ay, dito. Bye. Bye. Bye.